Two. I'm out here on the nature walk. My homeboy, Alonzo over there.
Yo, what's up, bruh? Subscribe to me.
Hey, his YouTube channel's big, eh?
What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another amazing video that I'm throwing at y'all guys. I felt pretty weird, you know why?
Why? What?
I felt pretty weird doing the intro because there's people in there.
Oh. Y'all give me some names down in the...
Guess what?
I'm gonna let him talk first.
Go subscribe to my homeboy over there, Diego. What's your channel?
Diego Morales?
Diego Morales. I know people.
Hey, I need a new name for my channel. I don't know what to call it. Y'all comment down below. I'll leave Alonzo's YouTube down in the description below.
I'll leave his channel in the description below also. So guys, let's get to the walk. Well guys, this is like sort of going to be another channel update guys, but I have to tell y'all, I'm only going to be recording videos 3 times a week. Not every single day,
Yeah, same.
but 3 times a week.
I'll probably record every single day at school, but not like during class.
I can record at my house and school.
I'll record at my house when I'm in the back alone, chopping some wood. Yeah. Hey, look, I'm gonna switch that puddle though.
That rock over there, it was like pretty big rock.
Yeah, let's get some rocks. Right now we're running, and we need some smooth rocks. It's cold as heck out here, man.
Yeah.
If you see my hair flying, that's because of the wind. Oh! You right here, I'm gonna show y'all. Right here, look, you see it? Oh!
Oh, did you see my bestie?
Yo, I barely made it on the water. Yeah, I'm looking for rocks. I don't know, I might start a gaming channel. Mine only bounced 3. Right here. Nice rock. Oh! Oh, that's 5 times! That was like 6 times. I don't know.
Literally right now, guys, we're literally just skipping rocks in this giant.
Yeah, we're just playing around, man.
I got a toothbrush.
Yo, look at that toothbrush.
Hey, I was scared the toothbrush.
See if it works. Went the wrong way.
Get ready for
Man.
the ultimate skip.
That voice crack though. Go, go, go. Oh, that was 5.
That was 6.
Alright, 6 if you say so. Alright, let's start the nature walk again.
Why is there even a toothbrush out there?
What's the talkies on there?
Yeah, look, those talkie bags are right here. Look. Who just leaves their stuff on the freaking Lincoln Middle School? Oh, shit. Got a freaking grass got in my mouth. Hey, hurry up, let's go. We're going with Alonzo over here.
Y'all guys wanna have a race?
Yeah, it's gonna be
I'm
fun.
gonna stay out of this, man.
Now, for me, come on, let's go.
Hold up,
We're
hold
ready.
up.
1,
Hold up, let me pull up my pants. Yo, you started too quick. Yo, let's boy though. Yo, let's go. I did. I won.
Stop the video.
Yo, I won. That's why you always hold your camera like this.
No, I had it like this. How much you want to bet I can skip it right now?
Go. 5.
That sucks.
Man, it's really cold out here.
Not really.
Now you're gonna have to do the video.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another amazing video that I'm throwing back at you guys. My boy Tyler, my homeboy Diego, subscribe to
So, I need some new names for my channel. Yo, look, we gotta look for enemies. Look, there's cactus. Yo, you just dropped your camera, man.
Oh! Have y'all guys seen the other video where I dropped my camera?
You lost it?
No, I dropped it. But here, guys, this place is dangerous, like you saw in the last video where I showed you the cactus. That's how bad it is.
We gotta watch out when we step.
I was like so close to stepping on one just now.
But guys, peace out. I'm gonna throw y'all guys at a different angle.
Alright.
This is like part 2, but just with